Hello students, welcome back to Nagesh Karajki Orchid School. In our last session, we have started exercise 2.2 and we have solved few examples, and now today we are going to solve the remaining examples. Now look at the board. We will see this 17 number. Open your textbook and keep in front of you, because along with me you have to solve in your textbook also. Okay. Now see this 17 number. See this ones place digit. Here 0 plus 9 plus 1. First of all we will put their places. You also write in your textbook. The first number is 4-digit number. The other is 829, which is a 3-digit number, and this 41 is a 2-digit number. Now we will start from the ones place. Now see at ones place which numbers are there, which digits are there. Yes, 0 ones plus 9 ones. 0 plus 9, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 ones means 0 1 and 1 10. So we will give that 1 as a carry to the tens place. Now see the tens place numbers. Now here at tens place 1 plus 8, do the addition. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 10, 11, and 11 plus 4. After 11 count your 4 fingers. 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 tens. 15 tens means what? Yes, 15 tens means 5 tens 100. Okay, 100 5 tens means 15 tens. So we will write 5 at tens place, and 1 we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place digit. At hundreds place 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, yes, 10 plus 8, 18. So we will write 8 here, and 1 we will give carry to the next place. Now see the thousands place digits. Here 1 plus 1, very easy. 1 plus 1, 2. So what will be the answer? The answer is 2850. Okay. Now we will move to the 19th number sum. See the sum, and first of all write their places. Ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, and this is thousands place, because these are the 4-digit numbers. Okay. So the first number is 2700. The second one is 1976 plus 3204. Now we will start from the ones place. See the ones place. Always we should start from the ones place. While doing the addition or subtraction, always we should start from the ones place. Now see ones place digit. 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 4. After 6 count your 4 fingers. 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ones means 0 ones and 1 10. So this one we will give as a carry to the tens place. Now see the tens place digit. At tens place here 1 is there and here 0 is there. So 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1 plus 7, do the addition. 1 plus 7, 8. And again 8 plus 0 is there. 8 plus 0, 8. So we will write here 8 only. Now we will move to the hundreds place. At the hundreds place digit, 700 plus 900 plus 200. Now first of all we will see these two numbers. 7 plus 9, yes, this 7 keep in your mind, and 9 take on your fingers. After 7 count your 9 fingers. Yes, 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 2. In 16 add 2 fingers. 17, 18. So 1800. 1800 means 800, 1000. So we will write here 8 and we'll give 1 carry to the thousands place. Now see the thousands place digit. Here 1000 plus 2000 plus 1000 plus 3000. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, this 1. 3 plus 1, 4. And again 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, yes, 7. So 7,000. So what will be the answer? The answer is 7,880. This is our answer. Now we will take 21st example. Okay. Now see here. What we will do? First we will write the places. Ones, tens, this is 100 and this is 1000. Now see the ones place. Here 8 plus 2. Yes, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. 12 plus 2, 14. Now what is this? Ones. 14 ones. Now 14 ones means what? Yes, 14 ones means 1, 10, 4 ones. So at ones place we will write 4 and this one we will give carry to the tens place digit. Now see the tens place numbers. At tens place 1, 9, 6, 3 and 7, these digits are there. We will add these all digits. 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 6, yes, after 10 count your 6 fingers. 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 3, 17, 18, 19. Now after 19 again we have to count 7 fingers. After 19 count your 7 fingers. Yes, 19 plus 7, 26. Now 26 tens. 26 tens means what? 26 tens means 206 tens. So this 6 we will write at tens place and 200. So this 2 we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place digit. 200 plus 600 plus 500 plus 400 plus 900. All these digits we have to add. Okay. So one by one we will add. 2 plus 6. Yes, 2 plus 6. 8. 8 plus 5. Yes, after 8 count your 5 fingers. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 4. Do the addition. 13 plus 4. 17. 17 plus 9. Now after 17 show your 9 fingers. Yes, and count that 9 fingers after 17. 17 plus 9, 26. So 26 hundreds. 26 hundreds means what? 600 and 2000. So we will write 6 here and will give carry to the thousands place. Now see the thousands place. Here 2 plus 4, 6 and 6 plus 1, 7. So what will be the answer? The answer is 7664. Okay. Now we will move to the next example. Now see this example. Here first of all we will write their places. You also write in your textbook. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now start from the ones place. 8 ones plus 7 ones. 8 plus 7. Do the addition. After 8 count your 7 fingers and tell me the answer. 8 plus 7. Yes, 15. So 15 plus 9. See, 15 keep in your mind and 9 show your fingers. After 15 count your 9 fingers. So 15 plus 9. Yes, 15 plus 9, 24. Now 24 plus, what is the next number? The next number is, see, again we will start from the ones place. See the ones place. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 9, yes, 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 6 you have to do. Okay. So 24 keep in your mind and 6 show your 6 fingers. After 24 count 6 fingers. 24 plus 6, 30. So 30 ones means 0 ones and 3 tens. So 3 we will give carry to the tens place. Okay. Now see the tens place digit. At tens place here 3 is there and here 7 is there. So do the addition of these two numbers first. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. And 13 plus 5, after 13 count your 5 fingers. 13 plus 5, 18. Now 18 tens. 18 tens means what? 18 tens is equal to 8 tens and 100. So 1 we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place digit. Here 1 plus 6. Yes, 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5, after 11 count your 5 fingers. 11 plus 5, 16. And 16 plus 2, 18. So 1800. 1800 means 8 hundreds and 1000. So we will give 1 carry to the thousands place. Now say this column. 1000 plus 4000. 1 plus 4, 5000. 5 plus 3, 8000. So what will be the answer? The answer is 8880. This is our answer. Now students, we will see this example, 25th number. Now this see here two numbers are 4-digit numbers. The third one is 2-digit number and the last number is 3-digit number. So first of all we will write their places. Ones, this is tens, this is hundreds and this is thousands place. Now start from the ones place. See at ones place which numbers are there? Yes, which digits are there? 9 plus 0. Yes, 9 plus 0, 9. Then 9 plus 4. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 4. After 9 count your 4 fingers. Yes, 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 8. This 13 keep in your mind and show your 8 fingers. After 13 count 8 fingers. Yes, 13 plus 8, 21. Now 21 ones. 21 ones means what? 1, 1 and 2, 10. So this 1 we will write at ones place and this 2 we will give carry to the tens place. Now see the tens place numbers. At tens place 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0, 2. Then 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. Yes, after 2 count 7 fingers. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. Now 19 tens. 19 tens means 9, 10 and 100. So this one we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place digits. 100 plus 200. 100 plus 200, 300. Okay. Now 3 plus 6. Yes, 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 10 hundreds means what? 0, 100, 1000. So we will put 0 here and we will give 1 carry to the thousands place. Now see this thousands place. Here 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So what will be the answer? The answer is 8091. This is our answer. Okay. Now we will see this example. Write their places first. Yes, this is ones, tens, this is 100 and this is thousands place. Start from the ones place. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1, 4 and 4 plus 0, 4. So we will write here 4. Simple addition it is. Okay. Now see the tens place numbers. At tens place 4 plus 0. 4 plus 0, 4. Again one more time 0 is there. So 4 plus 0, 4 and 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. This is also very simple addition. Okay. Now see the hundreds place digit. At hundreds place 6 plus 1 plus 2. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So we will write here 9. Now see this. 2 plus 1 plus 3, thousands place numbers. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is, read the number, the answer is 6964. This is our answer. Now we will see the question number C. Now see, the question is, write one below the other and add. Now if we will see the numbers are given in a horizontal way. So for first of all, what we have to do, we have to arrange these numbers in a vertical way in a place value chart. Okay, so for that we have to draw place value chart, and in that we have to write these numbers and then we can solve it. So one by one we will see the examples. Now see, the first example is 567 plus 643. Now see, these two numbers are 3-digit number. Okay, these two numbers are 3-digit numbers, but the answer may come 4-digit number. So we will prepare the place value chart in that way only. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place. Okay, now we will put these numbers in the place value chart. See students, in your notebook also you have to draw a place value chart properly with the help of scale and pencil. You have to draw place value chart, and then only you have to arrange these numbers in the place value chart one below the other, and then only you have to solve. Okay, keep this thing in your mind. Now we will write this first number. The first number is 3-digit number. Okay, 567. At ones place 7 is there, so first we will write 7 here at ones place. Now see, at 100 tens place 6 is there, and at hundreds place 5 is there. We have to leave one line for the carry. Okay, now plus sign we should do. Then see the other number. The other number is also 3-digit number. At ones place 3 is there, tens place 4, and hundreds place 6 is there. Now we can add these two numbers. Now see the ones place column. 7 ones plus 3 ones. 7 plus 3, yes, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 ones means 0, 1 and 1 10. So we will give this one carry to the tens place. Okay, now see these tens place numbers. 1 plus 6, 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. 11 tens means 110 and 100. So this one we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see this hundreds place digits. At hundreds place 1 is there, and here 5 is there. So 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Now 12 hundreds. 12 hundreds means 200. So at hundreds place we will write 2 and 1000. So we will give 1 carry here, but see students, here no numbers are there. So directly we can write here 1. Okay, so see, the numbers are 3-digit numbers. Okay, they had given the 3-digit number, but when we add these 3-digit numbers, we got the answer in 4-digit number. Okay, so you have to draw a place value chart, and in that you have to put the values, you have to put the numbers, and you have to do the addition. Now we will see the third example. The next third example is 737 plus 490. Now students, draw the place value chart in your notebook. This is thousands, hundreds, tens and ones place. Okay, now see the first number. These two numbers are also 3-digit number. Okay, see the first number 737. At ones place 7 is there, so we will write here 7. Tens place 3 is there, so write here 3. At hundreds place again 7 is there, so here you will write 7. Now see then another number, second number is 490. At ones place 0 is there, so we'll put 0 here. Then see the tens place, at tens place which number is there? Yes, 9 is there, so we will write here 9. See the hundreds place number, at hundreds place 4 is there, so we will put here 4. And here we should give the plus sign because we have to do the addition. Now start from the ones place, 7 plus 0, 7 plus 0, 7. Now we'll move to the tens place number. Here 3 plus 9, 3 plus 9, yes, 12. 12 tens means 100 and 2 tens. So at tens place here we will write 2 and 1 we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place numbers. 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, yes, 8 plus 4, 12. Now see here we will write 2 at hundreds place and 1 here we will write at thousands place because here no numbers are there, so no need to give the carry. Directly we can write 1 at thousands place. So here if we add, when we add two numbers, 3-digit numbers, sometimes we got the answer in 4-digit. Okay, now we'll take the another example. See the fourth example. The fourth one is 4350. The number is 4350 plus 880. Now here the first number is 4-digit number and the second one is 3-digit number. Okay, so first of all we will draw place value chart and again then in that we will write that numbers. The first number is 4-digit number. At ones place here 0 is there, at tens place 5, at hundreds place 3 is there and at thousands place 4 is there. Okay, now what is the second number? The second number is 880. At ones place 0, tens place 8 and at hundreds place also 8 is there, so we will give here plus sign and then we will add. Now see the ones place digits. Here 0 and here also 0 is there. 0 plus 0, 0. Now do the addition. At tens place 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8, 13. So 13 tens means 3 tens, 100. So 1 we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place digit. Here 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 8. See after 4 count your 8 fingers. 4 plus 8, 12. So 1200 means 200 and 1000. So 1 we will give carry to the thousands place. Now see the thousands place number. Here 1 plus 4 is there. 1 plus 4, 5. Okay, so what will be the answer? The answer is 5230. This is our answer. Now see the sixth one. The numbers are 3044 plus 788. See here, one 4-digit number and one 3-digit number. Okay, draw the place value chart, thousands, hundred, tens and ones. In that put these two numbers one below the other. First number is 3044, so we will write from the ones place. The other number is 788. This is a 3-digit number. Start from the ones place, 8, 8 and 7. Now give the plus sign and do the addition. Now see here, 4 plus 8. Start from the ones place, 4 plus 8, 12. 12 ones means 2 ones and 1 ten. So this one we will give as a carry to the tens place. Now see this tens place numbers, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, after 5 count your 8 fingers. 5 plus 8, 13. So 13 tens means 3 tens 100. So this one we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see this column, hundreds place column. Here 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 7 8. This is simple addition. Okay. If we will see this thousands place column, here only one number is there, that is 3, and here nothing is there. So 3 plus 0 3. So what will be the answer? The answer is 3832. This is our answer. Now see the next one. We will take 8th example. The numbers are 2821 plus 490 plus 706. Now see here one 4-digit number is there and remaining two numbers are 3-digit number. Okay. So first of all we will draw place value chart, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now in this place value chart we will write these numbers one below the other. The first number is 2821. At ones place 1 is there, at tens place 2, hundreds place 8 and thousands place 2 is there. Now see the second number. The second number is 490, which is a 3-digit number. Start from the ones place. At ones place 0 is there, so we will put here 0. At tens place 9 is there, so write here 9, and at hundreds place 4 is there, so we will write here 4. Now see the third one. This is also a 3-digit number. Start from the ones place. At ones place 6 is there. Okay. See the tens place 0 is there, so we will put here 0, and at hundreds place here 7 is there, so we will write here 7. Now we have to do the addition, so we will give here plus sign. Okay. Now start from the ones place. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6. Yes, 7. Correct. Now we will move to the tens place digit. See the tens place here 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. Yes, 11. 11 plus 0. 11. So 11 tens means 110 100. So this one we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see this hundreds place digit. Here 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 4. Yes, 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 7 20. 20 100 means 0 100 2000. So this 2 will give as a carry to the thousands place. Now see this 2 plus 2 4. So what will be the answer? The answer is 4017. Okay. Now one more example we will take. The next example, that is last example we will take, 10th one. What are the numbers? The numbers are 1217 plus 1934 plus 2407 plus 2378. Okay. So here 4 numbers are there. Okay, and all are 4-digit number. So first of all we will draw place value chart, that is thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now see the first number. The first number is 1217. Write this number in the place value chart, 1217. The other number is 1934. Write this number also, 1934. Now see the third one, 2407. 2407. And the last is 2378. Here 4 numbers they had given us. Okay, and we have to add these 4 numbers. Now see the ones place number. At ones place, which digits are there? 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 7 18. 18 plus 8. 18 plus 8. Yes, after 18 count 8 fingers. 18 plus 8 26. So 26 ones means 6 ones 2 tens. So this 2 will give as a carry to the tens place. Now see the tens place digit. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 7. Yes, 6 plus 7, 13. Now 13 tens is equal to what? 13 tens means 3 tens 100. So this one we will give as a carry to the hundreds place. Now see the hundreds place column. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9. Yes, 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 3, 19. 1900 means 900, 1000. So we will give 1 carry to the thousands place. Now see students this column. Yes, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5 and 5 plus 2 7. So what will be the answer? The answer is 7936. This is our answer. So in this way today we have completed our exercise 2.1. See students, I have taken only odd number sums and you have to solve even number sums by your own. So in this way we have completed our exercise 2.2. In the next session we will see the next part, that is properties of addition. Till that time, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.